Sup? Am I live? I am live. So, I have some cool ideas that I think would be fun. And instead of doing those cool ideas, we're gonna skip them. We're gonna do stupid-ass ones that I had to agree to yesterday because of the strike. I offer one stream with DougDog's Channel Point Award. DougDog's Poggies.
What the heck is up with the strike?
Chat, can you guys recap the strike in your best words in chat? So basically, this is what would play on screen, and it's just gonna get bigger and bigger. It can start really small.
Could you just replace your camera with the DougDog, please?
No. If I play the DougDoggies thing, we should get a sound effect. Here we go.
And his name is John C.
That's so loud! Okay. So the good news is that it works, and we're good. Cool. Hold on. We need to change that immediately. Okay, what do we call the variable that's the size of the dog? Coding is all about marketing. You need good names for your variables, okay? Girth. I don't like dog girth. So we're gonna have a text file that tracks what the current size of the dog girth is. All we do is we talk to OBS, we say turn on the dog, we say wait 20 seconds, we say okay, now turn the dog off. We'll make him bigger for next time, and then it's just done. Question. Okay, somebody already did it. Well, it didn't work. It didn't turn on the dog. Why is this not working? So this is the information about every single source that is in this particular OBS scene, including the DougDogs one, which for some reason isn't being registered. So if I just Control F for DougDogs, it's here. I put a space at the end of the name DougDogs. That's why. Fuck. Now it should be 150% of what it was before. Redeem. Ready? Go. 150% size. Go. Oh, yeah. That dog is way bigger. That's a big dog. He's huge. Do I want to do the 1 in 10 chance to flip it? So the source transform we have... Oh, that's a big dog. That's a big dog.
Python coder here.
What? Sorry, I can't read. Okay, maybe I'll do 1 in 100 for flipped dog. So it's like a huge deal. DougDoggies was turned on. It is up here now. But it is flipped. Okay, so it recenters. So now we need to have the X and Y position. This is a 5-minute adventure. In and out, and the dog is done. Spent an hour and a half on this stupid channel point reward. DougDogs. It turned on. It appears to be flipped and centered. I think we did it. I think we start like this big, right? So he's like really tiny. Even smaller? Okay. Now I'm kind of on board with this again. Now it's funny. So here's how the code works. You guys will fire a channel point reward. Streamer bot listens to that. If it hears that, it's going to play a sound, and then actually, do I have like a dog sound? Hold on, let me message Barry. He might have a good one. Barry's good at sound effects.
Dark midnight.
Number 2, I'm liking a lot. I feel like this is the one. Can you edit the version 3 down to like 8 seconds or so? No, don't redeem it. Okay. Why'd you pay 50,000 channel points for that? Okay, the dog girth is currently... Okay, you can see the dog. The dog gates are now open. Okay. How big is the dog now? Okay, I can't even see him. Oh, I do see him. He's just really, really tiny. Way too tiny. It's gonna get bigger 10% every time. I assure you that very quickly you will not be asking for the dog to be bigger. I promise you that. Okay, we're up to 3%. This is gonna like, dude, it's gonna get big. It's gonna get too big really fast.
Dry your entire car, even your dog.
Open the floodgates!
Hello? Oh, okay. Oh, there it goes. I'm down to change the dog sound. It's pretty annoying. Now that we've heard it about 25 times, I am down to I am down to change it. He's getting kind of big. He's getting kind of big.
Hey Doug. Thank you for streaming so I can take my mind off of my fear of dogs. So what are we doing? Oh god, no.
Hey, welcome in. Chat, get ready to learn, okay? This is us building. How about Falcon Punch? Everybody loves Falcon Punch. Oh! 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 A flip! A flip dog! 1 in 100! It's real! Who got it? Who got it? Who got it? Astral Corgi! Oh shit, dude. You were here, chat. How about Grand Star Get? Sure. That'll be the new sound for the dog. That's so loud. We're gonna do 10% of that. We're gonna do 10% of that volume. Hi, dog. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn your question into text-to-speech. So my code will go talk to Microsoft Azure, and it's gonna say, hey, Microsoft, turn that into text-to-speech, and you can use whatever. The dog is back. You can do... Oh, 100%! All right, I've decided that since we have a dog-themed stream, I'm gonna whip out the big dogs. I have purchased dog shorts. They have little corgis on them. It's so cute. With these dog shorts, we can code anything. We're not gonna be able to see anything when the dog pops up, like, pretty soon. Dude, the dog is getting so big.
Hail, Darlene.
His head is now bigger than the entire screen. We have this web app working, and then if I change something in this file, it should appear on screen. Hi, chat. Where is DougDoug? Save? It appears here. Cool. So this is basic. No.
As a language model, artificial intelligence.
You can see that it displays it here on
As
the web.
an AI language model, I do not have access to the real-time updates and scheduling of DougDoug.
200%!
Therefore, I cannot confirm.
Basically, at this point, just to run through the code as it currently exists, we have a it starts a Flask app, which is basically just running a server, as well as some client code. So you can see that in a second you'll be able to. So we actually should have all the pieces in place to just have. God damn it. We're gonna have to turn off the dog. I think I'm gonna make it, how about like every 5 minutes? It's already so big. 5 minutes will be more exciting. Let me just print out some stuff. The dog! It covers the entire screen. There's like almost not, like it's gonna get, right now there's a little bit of visible on the screen. That's gonna like quickly go away. Okay. Wait. It's so big that the little preview dog of him summoning the dog is now gigantic. Ceph, Azure Manager.
Open the floodgates!
Oh, little congested there. Feel a little blocked up, chat. Is it working? Is it working? No. Thank you. Okay.
Backslash. Shouting backslash. Hey, Jack, that backslash. I'm scared they're backslash. S.A. Bear in my house. What do I do? Backslash. Backslash.
Okay, so something with formatting is going wrong. So it looks like if you see here, no.
Backslash, backslash, backslash.
Is there an easy way to undo this? Hey there, bro. No worries. Here to help you out. When you, oh god damn it, the dog. You know, it's gonna get to a point where the little preview dog New people are going to come into the stream, and the preview dog is going to be so big that they're going to be like, oh, cool, they made a funny thing of a Nintendo on stream that gets really big, like they talked about yesterday, and not realize that that's just the preview, and then they're about to get full dogged, like massive girth.
Can we make the Nintendogs a permanent thing?
No.
My Twitch chat is bored and needs some discussion topics.
Here are 10 idle discussion topics for your Twitch chat. 1. Can humans learn to photosynthesize like plants? 2. What would the world be like if every animal was scaled up by 100 times?
Good timing.
3. Could a
can't
society
hear.
exist without...
Doug, I just joined. What the fuck is with the giant dog?
Chat, can you answer? Please pretend.
I love this community. I can ask why there's a giant dog and chat confidently responds there was a strike as if that perfectly clears up any confusion.
Yeah, they're not great at giving a lot of context to things. You are our famous YouTuber DougDoug, who is a frat bro. Please
Open the floodgates.
Why is it last so long? And the dog is back. It's taking so long to turn off. Ladies and gentlemen, we officially have a robot that can ask AI Doug questions. Still more to do, but that was the next piece done. The 11 labs.
Thanks, Doug.
Congratulations, Doug. You did it. You're incredible. Great job, Doug. You're amazing. Like you.
Do you get to the
Doug.
district very often?
Point Crow.
Oh, what am I saying? Of course you don't.
You guys are in for a very exciting stream. Right now, I'm refreshing my API keys because I leaked to them accidentally. You won't believe what happens next. Let me show you. There's the, well, that's the dog. Okay, it got the thing back, and now it's asking 11 Labs to turn the response.
I don't know, man. That's a deep philosophical question. I mean, it's in a bowl with liquid and stuff floating in it, so I guess it could be, but I feel like soup is like hot and has chunks of veggie.
God damn it.
Pass me the frosted flakes, dude.
By a man eat fish, he day teach fishman to a lifetime.
Thank you. Thank you. That was very, very inspiring. We're all feeling inspired by you.
Open the floodgates.
Doug hates painters and thinks they should all give up what
Sucks!
Remember what I mentioned about critical mass? How much data can you store in 64 bits? Soon the dog will reach critical mass and crash OBS.
It's not going to crash OBS. It's going to be fine. There is going to be an epilepsy warning on the next one. Let me make sure that works. There you go. Epilepsy warning. That didn't spell it. Okay, should it get smaller by... How about smaller by 50% every time? Is that too much? Because we're getting to kind of the end. We only have maybe like 8 more or 6 more redemptions. I think we got to make it like smaller. It's got to be pretty fast, right? 1% every time. No. Just make sure to say bye to the doggy when he comes up, because he's not going to be around that long.
Do a top and bottom margin scrolling marquee with flashing lights that says epilepsy warning for like 5s before the dog comes up, thanks.
No, we don't have enough time.
Hey there, Dougie Bear. I'm a cloud automation engineer with a master's in info science, and I still struggle with coding as much as you do on these streams. Makes me feel validated.
There you go. That dog was 35% smaller than the previous dog. The audio might get slightly cut off because I'm debugging, which works a little differently. It was working for all the previous questions, dude. It was working for the previous ones. Wait, is the dog coming? You have name box, not message box. It should apply to all...
I'm sorry, but as an AI language model, I don't have the ability to express emotions or make sounds like whoa. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Dog's getting smaller. I can't refund channel points because they get auto-redeemed. Okay, well, the dog is coming in anyways. Because there's lots of other things we can do with this, right? This is just the framework, and now we can make ChatGPT have different, like, characters or interact with different things at different times. Like, it doesn't have to just be channel points, obviously, right? It could just be anything. So I'm excited about this. Like, I want to do an AI invasion. You got...
Please point out the flaws of painting at the bottom.
Uh-oh.
No, activity is perfect. So
he's still doing the
with its own set of flaws, my friend. Let me mention some DougDoug. Firstly, painting can be quite expensive. High-quality paintbrushes, paints, canvases, and other painting accessories can add up and be a financial commitment. So, if someone is on a tight budget or doesn't have access to financial resources, they may not be able to pursue the craft at their preferred level of involvement. Furthermore, painting will bring countless smiles into your day-to-day experiences. Let me tell
it's
you,
small enough.
While I was playing,
the whole head fits.
The
whole head fits. That's a win for the believers. The dog just literally by one
or traditional
was small
RPGs. Genshin Impact offers the best of the best. Ow, ow, EU.
How long
they
is
even
this?
Have hot spring scene.
Doug, you should bark for us.
No. No.